So today we're going to be doing overnight oats. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your oats, you're going to need your milk. You can use any type of milk, measuring cups, a refrigerator safe container, whatever fruit that you want to put on top. So this is really fun and simple. You're just going to do 1 cup of oats, put it in your refrigerator safe container, and then we're going to get I'm using oat milk, you guys can use anything you want. A liquid measuring cup is better if you guys have that at home. You're just going to put it in your refrigerator. And this is what the finished product is going to look like. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is I'm going to show you guys how to actually cut the peaches, because I want you guys to be safe at home. The most important thing to do when you're cutting is to hold your hand in a claw-like form so that you don't cut your fingers. Put them right on top of your container, and then you're good to go. Check in next Monday on the 29th at 12 and we'll be doing soups.